That day I felt that this Lord has come only for our sake. He is Bhakta Sakha Bhagwan. The bond that we have with Him, this personal one-to-one bond, is that of several lifetimes. Om Shri Sai Ram. One of the most beautiful aspects of the Lord is that He can make Himself available for us anytime, anywhere, and in any way possible. I am reminded of the beautiful story of the Bhagavatam, where Uddhava goes to Vrindavan carrying the message of Krishna. He sees the gopis and gopas lost in contemplation of their Gopala. Each one of them felt that they belonged to Krishna and Krishna belonged only to them. They had such a personal bond with their Lord that in spite of His physical absence, they could hear Him when the trees shook. They could see Him in the flame of the lamp, and they could feel His presence even in the boulders of Vrindavan. Swami would give each one of us such an exclusive opportunity to be with Him, to feel His presence, to hear to Him and to see Him. Over a period of time, we develop that personal one-to-one connection with Him. My mind goes back to the most special day of my life, the day I had the darshan of my Sai Krishna. It was in the July of 2009, my first and only darshan of Swami. Although we have been devotees since 2002, our family has been very active with the Sai group. In spite of that, we had Swami's darshan only once in 2009. I remember we were seated in the Sai Kulwant Hall. I was somewhere in the 10th row. People were saying that today Swami will not come because the previous day Swami had come, spent a lot of time, distributed sweets and gifts, and hence those were the days where Bhagwan's darshan was not very frequent. Swami was physically not well. So they said that today Swami will definitely not come. Our heart sank to its lowest point. The bhajans were over, the Vedas were over. Only the Aarti was kept on hold because we didn't know whether Swami would come or not. We were thinking, Swami, please, please come today. We have come from a very long place only for you. Swami, only you know for how many lifetimes we have been waiting for this opportunity. Swami, if not today, we don't know when we will get this chance. And as we were thinking on these lines, the most beautiful and memorable thing happened. The music begins and the Lord of the universe enters the Sai Kulwant Hall. And Swami did not come in the car like how he comes on other days. That day he came in the chair so that we could see him very clearly. That day I felt that this Lord has come only for our sake. He is Bhakta Sakha Bhagwan. The bond that we have with Him, this personal one-to-one bond, is that of several lifetimes. And in my life, that day that bond was strengthened.
So that day, you developed a personal connection with your Swami. How has the journey been after that when you became his student?
After I got the blessing of being Bhagwan's student, I think this bond just became stronger. I felt that here is someone who can hear out to me whenever I call out to him, and he can answer this prayer to me in any place, wherever I am. I remember it was Swami's 90th birthday when I joined the Vrindavan campus. It was in the year 2015. It was on the 18th of November that we were here in Prashanthi Nilayam. While taking the Samadhi Darshan, I had a very innocent prayer in my heart. I felt, Swami, how beautiful it would be if on your birthday I could offer a rose to you and wish you a happy birthday. Now the prayer was wonderful, but how was I supposed to get a rose? We were not allowed to go outside and buy, nor was it my birthday, so I wouldn't get a rose chance. So I thought the best thing perhaps would be to tell my uncle who was in Prashanthi Nilayam to buy me a rose on that day. Now, usually this uncle would come and see me on the very first day of our visit. But surprisingly, that day, he was not to be seen. I thought probably next day he would come. Even then, he wasn't there. For the next 4 days, we were so busy with so many activities, cultural programs, music programs, talks. I completely forgot about this prayer. The 23rd morning came. Swami's 90th birthday. We had the Vedam procession, we had the Sai Symphony Orchestra. It was mind blowing, out of the world. Then it was time for the Samadhi Darshan in the morning. I was standing in the queue. There were about two people before me. My turn was almost going to come, and I hear someone call out to my name. I was wondering, who could this be at this point in time? I turn and I see, to my pleasant surprise, it is this very uncle of mine who was approaching me. He didn't speak a single word. He was just smiling. He comes to me, he gives me a rose and walks away. I was mind blown, absolutely stunned. What are the odds that among thousands of people in the Sai Kulwant Hall, my uncle comes there, he sees me in that crowd, he has a rose with him, and he gives it to me right at that moment before I could offer my pranams at the Samadhi. Swami listened to the most innocent, fleeting prayer of my heart. That day he showed me that this Lord is always there, ready to listen to his devotees. He has come only for us, and this personal bond was strengthened on that day.
As a student, we find it easy to connect to Him while we are here. But how was your experience when you went outside?
Absolutely, brother. While we are here, it's very easy for us to connect to Swami, listen to him, feel his presence. But when we go out, it becomes all the more challenging. Last year, I got an opportunity by Swami to work with a multinational company in Muscat. So it was absolutely a new transition for me from college to work life. I had my own doubts. I was asking Swami, Swami, are you really there with me in this new phase of my life? Swami, do you personally know that I'm taking up a job in the world outside? Swami, will I be able to live up to your expectations in this new role of mine? These were the thoughts in my mind. All I required that time was some divine instruction. Something really amazing happened that day in the morning. I receive a message, a WhatsApp message in one of the groups, Sai groups. This message is of Bhagwan talking to students on the Shankaranti of 2001. In that discourse, Bhagwan tells, you may take up a job anywhere in the world, but remember, I am there in you, with you, around you, below you and around you. Wherever you are, bring a good name to yourself, to your parents, and for the institution. I was in tears. That was the message I was looking for at that moment, and Bhagwan reached out to me. He made me feel that he is there with me, no matter where I am, what I am doing, and that wherever I am, I would rise up to his expectations. And needless to say, I became an asset to the organization, and Swami could connect to me. That personal bond was strengthened that day, and it has been a beautiful journey since then.
श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः हरि ओम् घनानां त्वा घनपतिगुं हवामहे कविं कवीनामुपमश्रवस्तमं ज्येष्ठराजं ब्रह्मणां ब्रह्मणस्पतान् शृण्वन्नोतिभिस्सेदसादनं प्रणो देवी सरस्वती वाजिभिर्वाजिनीवती धेनामवित्रयवतु गणेशाय नमः सरस्वत्यै नमः श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः हरि ओम् ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः सहस्रशीर्षं देवं विश्वाक्षं विश्वशम्भुवं विश्वं नारायणं देवमक्षरं परमं पदं विश्वतापरमानित्यं विश्वं नारायणगुं हरिं विश्वमेवेदं पुरुषस्तद्विश्वम् उपजीवति पतिं विश्वस्यात्मेश्वरगुं शाश्वतगुं शिवमच्युतं नारायणं महानेयं विश्वात्मानं परायणं नारायण परो ज्योतिरात्मा नारायणः परः नारायण परं ब्रह्म तत्त्वं नारायणः परः नारायण परो ध्याता ध्यानं नारायणः परः यच्च किञ्चित् जगत् सर्वं दृश्यते श्रूयतेऽपि वा अन्तर्बहिश्च तत्सर्वं व्यापनारायणस्थितः अनन्तमव्ययं कविगुं समुद्रे तं विश्वशम्भुवम् पद्मकोशा प्रतीकासगुं हृदयं चाप्यधोमुखम् अधोनिष्ट्या वितस्त्यान्ते नाभ्यामुपरि तिष्ठति ज्वालमालाकुलं भाति विश्वस्यायतनुं महत् सन्ततगुं शिलाभिष्टुलम्बत्यकोशसन्निभम् तस्यान्ते सुशिरगुं सूक्ष्मं तस्मिन् सर्वं प्रतिष्ठितम् तस्य मध्ये महा अग्निर्विश्वाचिर्विश्वतोमुखः सोऽघ्रभुर्विभजन् दिष्टन्नाहारमजरः कविः तिर्यघुत्वा मदसायि रश्मयस्तस्य सन्ततां सन्तपयति स्वं देहम् आपादतलमस्तकः तस्य मध्ये भनिशिखा अनिर्योद्वा व्यवस्थितः नीलतो यदमध्यष्टद्विद्युलेकेव भास्वरां नीवारसूकवत्तन्विपीताभास्वत्यनुपमां तस्याः शिखाया मध्ये परमात्मा व्यवस्थितः स ब्रह्म स शिवः स हरिसेन्द्र सोऽक्षर परमस्वराट् ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः निधनपतये नमः निधनपतान्तिकाय नमः ऊर्ध्वाय नमः ऊर्ध्वलिङ्गाय नमः हिरण्याय नमः हिरण्यलिङ्गाय नमः सुवर्णाय नमः सुवर्णलिङ्गाय नमः दिव्याय नमः दिव्यलिङ्गाय नमः भवाय नमः भवलिङ्गाय नमः सर्वाय नमः सर्वलिङ्गाय नमः शिवाय नमः शिवलिङ्गाय नमः ज्वालाय नमः ज्वाललिङ्गाय नमः आत्माय नमः आत्मलिङ्गाय नमः परमाय नमः परमलिङ्गाय नमः तस्य सूर्यस्य सर्वलिङ्गगस्तापायति पानिमन्त्रं पवित्रम् सत्यो जातं प्रपद्यामि सत्यो जाताय वै नमो नमः भवे भवेनाति भवे भवस्व मां भवोर्भवाय नमः वामदेवाय नमो ज्येष्ठाय नमः श्रेष्ठाय नमो रुद्राय नमः कालाय नमः कलविकरणाय नमो बलविकरणाय नमो बलाय नमो बलप्रमतनाय नमः सर्वभूतदमनाय नमो मनोन्मनाय नमः अघोरेभ्यो थघोरेभ्यो घोरघोरतरेभ्यः सर्वेभ्यो नमस्ते अस्तु रुद्ररूपेभ्यः तत्पुरुषाय विद्महे महादेवाय धीमहि तन्नो रुद्रः प्रचोदयात् ईशानः सर्वविद्यानाम् ईश्वरः सर्वभूतानां ब्रह्माधिपते ब्रह्मणोऽधिपते ब्रह्मा शिवो मे अस्तु सदा शिवो नमो हिरण्यबाहवे हिरण्यवर्णाय हिरण्यरूपाय हिरण्यपतये अम्बिकापतये उमापतये पशुपतये नमो नमः ॐ शान्ति 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 विष्णोर्नुकं वीर्याणि प्रवोचं यः पर्तिवानि विममे रजागुंसि यो अस्कभायदुत्तरगुं सरस्तं विचक्रमानस्त्रेडोरुगायः तदस्य प्रियमपि पातो अस्यां नरो यात्र देवयवो मदन्ति उरुक्रमस्य सैबन्धुरित्तां विष्णो परे परमे मत्व उत्साहं प्रतद्विष्णुस्तवते वीर्याय मृगो न भीमा कुचरो गिरिस्ताः यस्योरुषो त्रिषु विक्रमणेषु अधिक्षयन्ति भुवनानि विश्वां परो मात्रया तनुवावृदान् नाते महित्वा मन्वस्नुवन्ति उभे ते विद्मरजसे पृथिव्या विष्णो देवत्वं परमस्य वित्से विचक्रमे पृथिवीमे स एतां क्षेत्राय विष्णोर्मनुषेदसस्यन् ध्रुवासु अस्य कीरयो जनासः उरुक्षितिगुं सुजनिमाचकार तिर्देवा पृथिवीमे स एतां विचक्रमे सतर्चसं महित्वा प्रविष्णुरस्तु त्ववसस्तवेयान् त्वे सा गत्यस्य स्तविरस्य नामाम् ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः नीलादेवी गुं शरणमहं प्रपद्ये घृणाहीं घृतवतीर्सवितराधिपत्ये पयस्वतिरन्तिराशानो अस्तु ध्रुवादिशां विष्णुपत्यघोरा शेषानः सहसो यामनोतां बृहस्पतिर्मातरिस्वोतवायु सन्दुवाना वाता अभिनो गृह्णन्तु विष्टम्बो दिवो धरुणः पृथिव्या अशेषाना जगतो विष्णुपत्नीम् ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः स्वस्ति प्रजाभ्यः परिपालयन्ताम् न्यायेन मार्गेण महेशाम् को ब्राह्मणेभ्यः शुभमस्तु नित्यम् समस्तलोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु समस्तलोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु समस्तलोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः।
मन मंदिर में आवो साई, मन मंदिर में आवो साई, साई भगवान दर्शन दिखाओ, साई भगवान दर्शन दिखाओ। गिरिधर नागर नत वर्षा साई भगवान दर्शन दिखाओ। साई भगवान दर्शन दिखाओ। मन मंदिर में आओ साई, साई भगवान दर्शन दिखाओ। सदा निरंतर भज साई राम, गिरिधर नागर नत वर्षा साई भगवान दर्शन दिखाओ। साई भगवान दर्शन दिखाओ। मन मंदिर में आओ साई,
देवी साई माँ, देवी सरस्वती माँ, देवी साई माँ, देवी सरस्वती माँ, दुर्गा भवानी माँ, काली कपालिनी 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 माँ, जगदोधारिणी माँ, जगदोधारिणी माँ, सत्य साई दया करो सत्य साई दया करो माँ। सत्य साई दया सरस्वती माँ।
राजराजेश्वरी जगन्मोहिनी
हे निराकारी अल्लाह, हे अवतारी प्रभु राम। निराकारी अल्लाह, हे अवतारी प्रभु जन्म मेरे साथ रहो तुम सत्य साई भगवान। जन्म जन्म मेरे साथ रहो तुम सत्य साई भगवान। साई भगवान। जन्म जन्म मेरे साथ रहो तुम सत्य साई भगवान। जन्म जन्म मेरे साथ रहो तुम सत्य साई भगवान। ये निराकारी अल्लाह, ये अवतारी प्रभु जन्म जन्म मेरे साथ रहो तुम सत्य साई भगवान। नानक यीशु बुद्ध महावीर सब साई भगवान। जन्म जन्म मेरे साथ रहो तुम सत्य साई भगवान। जन्म जन्म मेरे साथ रहो तुम सत्य साई भगवान। ये निराकारी अल्लाह, ये अवतारी प्रभु राम।
सर्वत्र गोविंद नाम संकीर्तन गोविंदा हरे गोविंदा। सर्वत्र गोविंद नाम संकीर्तन गोविंदा हरे गोविंदा। गोविंदा हरे गोविंदा हरे गोविंदा हरे गोविंदा। गोविंदा हरे गोविंदा हरे गोविंदा
आनन्दमय जय नारायण साई आनन्दमय जय नारायण वसुदेव दादा जीवन वसुदेव दादा जीवन परमानंदा माधवा परमानंदा माधवा परमानंदा माधवा परमानंदा माधवा वसुदेव राधा जीवन परमानंदा माधवा परमानंदा माधवा परमानंदा माधवा परमानंदा माधवा नारायण हरि नारायण 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 हरि आनन्दमय जय नारायण
चित चोराए सौदा के बाद नवनीर चोर गोपाल चित चोराए सौदा के बाद नवनीत चोर गोपाल 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 गोवर्धन धर गोपाल वर्धन धन चित्त चोराए सौदा के बाद नवनीत चोर गोपाल चित चोराए सौदा के बाद नवनीत चोर गोपाल चित चोरा यशोदा के पास नवनीत चोर गोपाल चित चोरा यशोदा के पास नवनीत
भुवस्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात् भुवस्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात् भूर्भुवस्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात् शान्ति 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 साईश्वराय विद्महे सत्यदेवाय धीमहि तन्नः सर्वः प्रचोदयात् साईश्वराय विद्महे सत्यदेवाय धीमहि तन्नः सर्वः प्रचोदयात् साईश्वराय विद्महे सत्यदेवाय धीमहि तन्नः सर्वः प्रचोदयात् शान्ति शान्ति शान्ति
Om Sai Ram, Bhagavan's counsel for today. Why should one pray, meditate, contemplate on God, or engage in good actions when one is anyway bound to face the consequences of one's actions? You may not be able to see the transformation that comes within you by your good actions and prayer. You may not even be able to visualize it with your mind. Yet, this transformation in you is sure to attract God's grace. Now take for an example a bottle of pills. You may note the date of expiration mentioned on the bottle as the year 1994. You may also find the bottle and its contents intact even in the year 1999. But this does not mean that the pills will be effective if used today. The pills may be there, but they lose their power after the date of expiry. Likewise, the consequences of one's actions are inevitable, be they good or bad, but divine grace will let their effects lapse. Jai Sai Ram, and now we shall offer Mangala Arati to Bhagavan.
ओम जय जगदीश हरे स्वामी सत्य साई हरे भक्त जना संरक्षक भक्त जना संरक्षक पति महेश्वर ओम जय जगदीश हरे शशिवदना श्रीकरा सर्वा प्राणपति स्वामी सर्वा प्राण आश्रितकल्पलतिका आश्रितकल्पलतिका आपदार्णव ॐ जय जगदीश हरे माता गुरुदेव मरियन्दयु नीवे स्वामी मरियन्दयु नीवे नाद ब्रह्म जगन्नाथ नाद ब्रह्म जगन्नाथ नागेन्द्राशयन ॐ जय जगदीश हरे ओंकार रूपावतन प्रिय साई महादेवा सत्य साई महादेवा मंगल आरती मंगल आरती मंगल गिरिधारी ओम जय जगदीश हरे नारायण नारायण सत्य नारायण 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 सत्य नारायण नारायण सत्य नारायण नारायण ओम जय सद्गुरुदेवा नारायण नारायण सत्य नारायण 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 सत्य नारायण नारायण सत्य नारायण नारायण ओम जय सद्गुरुदेवा नारायण नारायण सत्य नारायण 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 सत्य नारायण नारायण सत्य नारायण नारायण जय सद्गुरुदेवा शांति 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 समस्त लोका सुखिनो भवन्तु समस्त लोका सुखिनो भवन्तु समस्त लोका सुखिनो भवन्तु शांति 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 जय बोलो भगवान श्री सत्य साई बाबा जी की जय।
भूर्भुवस्सुवः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्